The BMC has started taking down the remaining hoardings of the government railway police land at Chedanagar in Ghatkopar following this incident of billboard collapse. We're getting to know that BMC has prepared a plan to demolish the remaining hoardings on the GRP land. So action finally being taken, Pratmesh, by Mumbai Municipal Corporation on other similar hoardings as well, which could be disasters waiting to happen.
Yes, the action is been taken by the BMC commissioner and also the BMC officials. Like BMC officials are still here on the present on the site and keeping the close eye on this rescue operation which has been taken place. BMC officers are still here, and also few time ago BMC commissioner has also been visited here and he just saw the billboards which has been illegally constructed here. Like in a camera you can see how this is a billboard which is constructed illegally, and the orders is been issued to demolish this billboard. This is the one billboard. The second billboard is there. The second billboard which is just beside the Eastern Express Highway in Mumbai. And this is the second billboard which has been also been demolished by today, and there just behind that there is one more billboard which is also been illegally constructed, and this will be demolished soon by the BMC. The official has said that the paperwork has been done and the notices is already been issued to the owner, and this demolish work will start soon. The officials are hoping to start this demolishing work by today itself, because this is illegal. Demolishing works, this has been done because of this illegal billboard. This big incident has been taken place. The billboard has been collapsed on the petrol pump, in which like several vehicle are been collapsed in this. There is like one auto is been there. There is one auto which is fully been collapsed in this billboard incident, and I want to tell you that the NDRF is working hard to make this rescue operation a success.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.